What is up, everyone? My name is Stream, and welcome to War of the Worlds in Roblox. Now, on Steam, there's a game company that is currently in the works of making a War of the Worlds fan game. If you've been keeping up with it, it looks really good, and somebody on Roblox decided to take that concept and release it on Roblox. Their actual game hasn't been released yet. But actually, I'm not playing as a human at the moment. I am playing as a tripod. Let me turn that down just a little bit. But yes, I am playing as the tripod itself. So yeah, we're gonna go find some people, some humans, and maybe kill him, maybe spare him. I don't know. We'll see what. Oh, there's somebody. I see somebody. Hey, you. Oh, he's gone now. He poofed. He just poofed. Oh, this is so cool. I was always a big fan of the War of the Worlds franchise as a kid, and I'm surprised it took someone this long to make like a fan game of that. Notification from Discord. See if there's anybody here. Anybody here? Hello? Anybody? Just gonna laser them. I'm also keeping an eye on the chat because sometimes people accidentally reveal where they are. Oh, there's a car. I see a car. I'm gonna head out to this town here. Figured I'd show you this game a little bit. I've been playing it since a few days ago. And I can't wait for the actual game to come out. And I'll be playing the heck out of that, and I'll be making a video on that as well. I make sure I don't miss anything. Give them kind of a warning that I'm coming. Oh, it's getting dark. This is supposedly night vision. I don't see anybody. But again, it doesn't mean there isn't anybody here. Hello? Oops, someone just left the game. Depending on how this might be my short video for you guys, but I wanted to show you guys this game because I've always been a fan of the War of the Worlds. Figured I'd show you the Roblox version, and then when the actual game comes out, I will make a video about that as well. There, you can play as the tripod like I am now, and you can play as a tripod. Just saw that one kind of glitch out. I'm going in circles, that's what I'm doing on purpose. Not a whole lot of places. Oh, is that somebody? that somebody? I can't tell. No, that is a piece of wood from the town over here. Just a piece of wood. Ah, what? I'm not saying anything bad to get censored. I don't know why I kept on censoring me there. I wasn't saying anything wrong. I was just saying, like, warning people. Here comes somebody. Another tripod. I haven't seen anybody on the ground. Then again, I wasn't really paying attention. You guys are just like, there was a guy ran by, Nick. And I'm like, what? I would laugh if someone did run by. Oh, that would be so funny. See anybody though? Oh, wait, I've been to that town already. Give you a good view of my tripod. Oh, my legs are crisscrossed. That doesn't look that. What? I'm gonna move that. There you go. There you go. Oh. Oh, I thought it was getting in the daytime. It tricked me, man. So for this game, if you want to play it, if you want to be a tripod, you have to join the group that the game is affiliated with. And there are, as you can see over here, there are only 5 tripods in game available at the moment. There's 4 of us right now. So if one of the other players that was part of the group wanted to be tripod, they could. There's also an Uber pod, which is kind of like the commanding ship. Oh, there's somebody down there. No, it's another piece of wood, I think. See, say over here, Uber pod. It's kind of like the command tripod. I think it's getting like daytime, so I can turn that on, off. There's a lot of people that will try to become a tripod. He got muted for saying tripod. We're not. This game. I don't understand. I know I'm not looking at that town. It's because there's few tripods already looking at it. If anyone's there, they'll find them. There's a car. You can attack the cars, but they will not explode. So those are like an advantage for the humans. I might do another game video on this, and I'll show you the other side. But the other side is pretty intense too. And I wanted to show you guys the tripod side first. Discord notification again. I will figure out what they're doing in a moment. There's somebody down there? No, again, I am going to lower myself though. Oh, there's my robot feet. Anybody higher? Whoa! Who are you talking to? Hey, you. There's 5 of us. Got double whammy. Oh, hey, there's a person. Hi. How are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Ah, no. Hi, Homan. I know you're human. Let's leave him alone. I'm gonna let him live, because I can, and I feel like it. I'm not completely bad tripod, unlike some tripods out there. Every now and then when I get into this game, there'll be people that like roleplay different type of funny scenarios. Like when I was playing as a human at one point, I had one of the tripods was walking me like a dog, and we were making a joke that I was its pet. It didn't have like a leash or anything. It's just like it was just like standing over me, but yeah. So I figured I'd show you guys this game. I will definitely make one on the real Steam version of this game. But I'm probably going to end this episode here. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys this. If you liked it, then please leave a like. And I will do another version of this where I'm not controlling the tripod. I think that might be a longer video than this one, because this video is kind of just simple. So yeah, if you liked it, let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.